Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Yeah, also GALA, like Solana and Quant and maybe a few others, reacted today to the support areas that we defined today and yesterday. Here, this area was to a degree defined by the ascending trend line. But not only that, also as, first of all, FIB support, the 23.6 FIB level, as basically first line of support, but then even more relevant by looking at this ABC structure, yeah, to take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and we did receive here the area round about between the 1-to-1 ratio, which is the ideal target, and the 1.272. I think I actually went down to the 1.38 extension, roughly, but we did find support in the middle, basically before breaking out of the wedge. I explained it yesterday in the video that I did not want to make this trend reversal area too large, yeah, because in my opinion, a substantial breakout below the trend line would not have allowed the chart to reverse. Therefore, I did limit it. Yeah, I limited it. And yeah, so far, next support or trade setup that worked out nicely here. So in my opinion, a possible 3-wave move to the downside, ABC, in a wave 4. And now we need to see, do we really develop a thorough wave 5? Or are we already on the way down in the wave 2, which is possible as well, yeah? I mean, don't get me wrong, just because we see a bit of a pump doesn't mean we're now necessarily moving up in the 5th wave. It's also possible that the 5th wave was already in. Yeah, I can count that in different ways here, but it's still important, irrespective of the count. You know, don't trade the count, trade the pivot points. We had a long trade area here. 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 And they all worked out nicely. This even triggered several times. Is now irrelevant. But yeah, it's looking good so far, yeah. So again, anybody who entered in this support area, basically round about a 15% intraday profit. Not too bad, I would say. Not too bad. Depends on where you entered. I mean, even if you entered at the top, or not just at the top, I mean, even a 10% intraday profit is not too bad. So obviously I cannot tell you at this stage, you know, is this definitely the wave 5? The way it's going at the moment looks like we are not finished yet. Yeah, if I go to the 5-minute chart, I mean, this could be a possible 5-wave move upcoming, but at the moment, this looks like a wave 4 with another wave upcoming, like a bull flag here with another wave upcoming, wave up, yeah. So in the end, we need to observe that the wave 5 in a diagonal would be an ABC structure. So what we might get, if it's an ending diagonal here, then we might get something like this: A wave up, B wave down, C wave up. So we're going to pay close attention to that. Next trade opportunity would be here the scaling into the wave B. But I think first the A wave needs to be finished. And if we come down and now break below the trend line, obviously, which is still possible, of course, then we are most likely in the wave 2 already. Because the bearish count would be all of this. The 3-wave move down here would be an A wave. We would then now move up in a B wave, and we would come down in a C wave. This is the bearish count. Will get confirmed, in my opinion, if we break out of this wedge to the downside, which we eventually probably will do. But again, therefore, we try to trade these pivot points, you know, and now this gives you the possibility with a 10% intraday profit, bag it in, or maybe just take some partial profits or move up your stop loss, or just leave it if you accumulate it for the long term, you know, that's entirely up to you. I can only show you the areas where the price will most likely reverse, and your plan obviously is dependent on you. Okay, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.